Today we are doing a same-day PS5 HDMI port replacement. Got the board prep, port prep. Let's get it on. We'll actually get it off. Oh, it would help if I illuminated the situation. Get this old SATA off, get the new SATA on, get the port on, and get these folks back to gaming again. Just freaking out a little because isn't there a black diode or something that goes there? A Zener diode or something? Or is that on the bottom? I don't know, let's get this done and see. Board prep, port prep, let's get it on. Might want to turn down your speakers. Alright, so we just got to get these posts secured and then we could go ahead and bolt her up. We've already done the deep cleaning and we already took care of the liquid metal. Alright, and that's the final outcome on the posts. And that is the final outcome on the pins. Let's go ahead and bolt it up. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Memberships are available if you'd like to show more support, and the store is nearing completion.